Good morning guys, this is Ronnie once again and welcome back to my channel. Right now guys, we're just biking around the neighborhood where my cousin lives. So it's almost our last full day here in Japan. So right now, I'm going to Don Quijote to buy some stuff. And also after that, we will visit Off House. Off House is a thrifting store. Or a thrifting shop. Just to give you an information guys, if you see or saw an off sa name ng store, it means na okay siya. There is brand off, there is hard off, hobby off, and then Off House. Okay, wait So, explain ko kung ano-ano yun. Pag hobby off, ang mga products na makikita nyo, mga pang-hobby. Like card games, figurines, animes, na mga second hand. Pag hard off naman, ang mga makikita nyo dyan is mga maintenance, hardwares, yung mga kailangan sa bahay. And then, pag brand off, mostly, makikita nyo dyan is yung mga branded items. And lastly would be Off House. Pag Off House naman, it houses clothes, jewelries, bags, and all other stuff na makikita nyo sa bahay. Yung i-visit natin later is Off House. And then, let's see kung ano yung mga items nila doon at ano yung makukuha natin. Peace. Ang laki. Alright guys, we've made it to the Don Quijote. Mabilis lang tayo dito kasi bibili lang ako ng konti na iuwi ko sa Malaysia. Ito yung Don Quijote. It's in Koshigaya, Saitama na part kasi nandito ako nakastay ngayon. Let's go inside. So we're already inside Don Quijote guys. Maglilibot-libot lang ako dito to buy some stuff. And ito yung Don Quijote dito. Ayan siya. And ang daming stuff guys. Wait. I'll just buy this. Kuha lang ko ng cart. Tapos ang laki. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Like super laki. Pero marami pa rin paninda. Ito yung mga cups. $2.99 lang. Ayan. $2.98. Ganyan. Ito mga neck warmer. Cart. Kuha lang tayo na to. Ito ang mga skincare. These are the skincares naman guys. Ito yung ginagamit natin. Ada Labo and Vitamin C. And then this mga makeup. Ito yung famous na rice mask. Kaya na rice mask. Eh, nakaganto na siya. Let's get one. 1, 2. Retinol. Ito guys yung nakita ko sa TikTok na maganda daw na body wash. So we're getting it. Also ito. Pampaputi ng singit. Sabi sa hula. And then this one, the cow soap na trending. So I'll get some for myself also. And then ang dami pang item for body wash. Hindi lang tayo makakuha ng marami kasi mabigat. Ito, Fino. That's for hair treatment. Ano ba? We're done sa kailangan natin gawin sa Donkey. Nakapamili na tayo ng konti na madadala pag uwi. So, let's go to Off House. And we made it here guys sa Off House Higashi Koshigaya after like 17 minutes of biking. Ito yung Off House. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Medyo malaki siya and it's a standalone building. Nagpark lang ako ng bike doon. Let's see what are the items inside. Ayan, sa labas pala ang mga malalaking mattresses na they actually have everything. Ayan guys. Ito yung area. Let's begin here. And meron silang mga ganyan. Cup, tablewares. Ito mga luxury items yan. Supreme. North Face. Supreme. Ayan, Supreme. Ito yung mga limited edition shoes. They have sports, fishing, and golf. Ito mga winter wears na yung mga puffer jackets. Ito pang fishing. They also have toys. If you're like a hobbyist, maybe you'll find one na wala pa sa collection nyo. Collectors kayo. And mga toys. Ito mga toys. This one, mga gamit na sa bahay. Vacuums. Yan, purifier. Ito mga, I think it's steamer. Ayan, steamer. Ito mga heater na yan. Heater. Air purifier, heater. Ayan, mga gamit sa kitchen. Coffee maker, 1,000 lang. It's just 1,000. Yogurt maker, 2,200. Ayan. Ganun kadami yung selection dito guys. Siguro hindi ko siya mapapakita, but at least you have a glimpse kung ano yung pwede nyo makita dito. Look at this Columbia. It's 3,300, but it's Columbia. Kaya ganyan yung pricing niya. Ski, once again ski. Ayan, mga random items. Ito, mga pang camping to. Camping. Ito bags. Yan, tennis. Baseball bats. Tennis rin yung mga price. Sample 1,650. Helmets. Skater shoes. Random items guys. Apart from selling, they're also buying. So if you have things na hindi na ginagamit, you can bring it here. Well, I wish you're staying here para madala yan. Ito mga motorcycle jackets. They have helmets also. Like this one on this brand, it's 8,000. Ito, yan. Mga furnitures. Furnitures yan. And then, look at this jacket. This is the keys. May tinabi kami dito. You know what? This one, guys. It is Zara. Zara siya. Tapos 3,300. Bago pa siya. Almost hindi pa nagagamit kasi may tag pa dito. And it's just 3,300. Imagine. Meron din silang this one, Dickies. It's 7,000. Mostly magaganda yung brand na makikita nyo dito. And the quality is superb. Like this one, it's Mavericks. Puting-puti pa siya. It's just 550. Oh. Ang ganda pa ng quality. It's on the large size. Ang ganda pa nito kasi masyado siyang malaki for me. Ano pa ba yung makikita natin dito sa 500? Basta marami siyang item. This one, oh. It's just 550. Fleece jacket. Ito yung brand, Field Core. 500 lang. Also, this one is nice, oh. Ang ganda ng wash. It's 1,100. Ayan, Gap siya. Nice. Perfect sana yung jacket na yun. For jorts, ganyan. 550. Seasons, Reasons. Diba? Ganda. This one is 550. Magaganda pa yung condition niya. This one is 550. It's cheap. So, all of these are jackets, winter wears na tigpa 550. Tigpa 500. Diba, ang mura lang. And then, they also have shoes. Look at this Docs. Etong Docs na to, napakaganda pa ng quality. 16.5. This one, Texas, 6.5. Look at the shoes. Regal, 16.5. This one, this boots, it's not Docs. Kaya siguro mura lang. 1,650. This one is nice. If dito ako nakatira, I would buy this one. Ang ganda pag pang-forma. Cover ball. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, may mga loafers. If you're eyeing or looking for a loafers, perfect yan. Shoes. This one is nice. So, Converse. Converse na loafers. It's just 5.5. Maluwag siya sa akin. That's why I did not buy it. This one, Vans, 4.4. Ganda pa. All Star, 16.5. Converse. See? Ito may tag pa tong New Balance na to, 5.5. Ito ang ganda. It's 7.7 Nike. Ganda. Parang hindi pa nga siya nagagamit eh. This one, 6.5 Air Max. Others still have backs pa. Ayan, like Reebok. Ito Nike. Bayou. Hindi pa siya nagagamit. O may tag pa. It's 11 pa. This one is also nice. Air Foam Sight. It's 11.5, 10. Price, 6,000. This one, Nike Dunk Low. It's 8,000. Ito Reebok ko, hindi pa nagagamit. May tag pa. It's 8,000. Ganda. Ang gaan, ang gaan niya. Ito Converse. Oh. Ito ang gaan ng Converse na to. It's just 3,300. Kita niyo ba? Napabahan tayo magaganda. Cole Haan, 5.5. Ayan. Alam nyo, dahil autumn ngayon, going winter, almost lahat ng display is sweater. Ito mga scarves. Then, Dawn Collection, it's 1.1. Ay, may mga pang babies. Ito, yan, pang winter yan, guys. Ayun, yung mga mamahalin talaga, like Burberry, 30,000. Van Leather yan, 30,000. Ayan. Tapos mga jackets. Pile of jacket arranged by colors. And then yan, pang kids, they have pang kids also. Ito, yan, jackets pa rin siya. Jackets. Hindi ko na siya iisa-isahin kasi baka hindi ako matapos. Ito, jacket, it's just 5.50. Yan. Ito, like turtleneck. This is Hush Puppies, ha? Look at that. Look at the brand. It's Hush Puppies. It's just 1,650. Ayan, mga pang babies. Mga pang babies, 330. Ayan, ito jacket. Pang babies. Ayan, Mickey Mouse, 22. Di pa ito nagagamit, oh. Ayan, mga tablewares. If you're looking for tablewares. Ito, mga trench coats. This one, Nano Universe. It's 4.4, Nano Universe. There are cheap ones like this one. 1.1. It's for men's. Ang ganda, diba? 1.1 lang. Ayan. Arranged by brand. Ayan. Burberry's naman to. Mga branded. Pag mga branded, mahal din eh. Pero hindi siya gamit na gamit, ah. Maganda pa yung condition niya. Ayan, yung mga branded nila. And then bonnets, if you're looking for bonnets, ayan. Normally nakahang yung super mahal na items nila. This one, Nike, 8,000. This one, New Balance, 16.5. Well, maganda naman yung condition. May nahanap akong wash ng denim pero hindi ko siya makita. Saan kaya ako makakita ng ganong wash? Ayan. Super dami ng pagpipilian guys. Nasa men's pa lang ako. May mga ladies pa. Ito, mga tablewares. And then yan, tablewares, mga, ayan, mantel. Ito for kids. Ang cute ng mga pang kids. Oh my god. Ganda ng mga pang kids. Ayan, mga pang kids yan. Hindi na natin isa-isahin. If you're curious, ano yung mga prices range? Let me check. This one. Itong skirt, 330 lang. Itong skirt na to. Cute na itong skirt na to. 330. Ayan. Itong short, 550. Ayan. Sweaters. Cute. This one is 550. Oh, unicorn. Sunny River. Ayun yung mga pang kids nila. And for babies, they also have baby carriers, strollers. Strollers is one. The ladies shoes na to. Yung mga ladies shoes. This one is nice. 5.5 Diana. Ito Benebis. 3.3. Maganda pa yung condition ah. And these are the coats for women's. Ayan, women's yan lahat. Then, arranged by colors also. Ito yung mga cheap bags. If you're looking for cheap bags, ito. Oh, Nike na ano. Panjem. 330 lang. Ito ang cute oh. Cute this one. It's just 550. 550 lang siya. Ganda. Kaya make sure na marami kayong luggage allowance pag pupunta kayo ng Japan. Because thrifting here is to the next level. Ayan siya. Then let's go to the bags. Ayan, lahat yan bags. Oh my god, may gusto ko ditong bag kaso parang nawala na. Ako ba yung ano? Shit. Parang hindi ko nakuha yung ano. Ayan guys, ito yung mga bags. Mga mura lang itong mga bag. Ito Emporio Armani. May nagustuhan na akong bag dito. Ayun yung i-check. Plan ko kasing i-check-in siya. Kasi kailangan ko nung pang check-in, and this is the one. This is the brand. Ayan. Ito siya. I-check-in ko siya, kaya ito yung bibilin ko. This one is also nice. Yan. Adidas. This one maganda. I'm getting this Adidas na gym bag. Ito yung plano kong i-check-in. Malalagyan naman siya ng maraming gamit. Ito mga leather bags na to. This one, like, it's like Bottega. Ayan. Mga leather to. These are really leather, guys. Ayan siya. Ganda rin yan, in fairness. Ito. 1,650 Catherine Mamnet. Ganda. Ganyan siya. This one looks nice. I want it. Pag-isipan muna natin kung kukunin natin tong leather na to. Maganda rin siya in fairness. Let's see. Oh, this is Coach. This is Coach. 4-4 only. And then look at the... Yes, this is the condition. Maganda pa siya. Hindi pa nag-fade yung mga golds niya. Ang mura niya for 4-4. This one, Del Conte. Ganda pa. Marami pa siyang Coach dito. Ayan, Coach. This is Coach 2-2. Coach yan. Coach din to, 1650. Wala. Ito mga Coach 3-3. Madami pang Coach actually. Coach ni 300. Ito Coach din ito. Ito mga wala masyadong brand. This one Samantha 1650. Ganda pa. Ang cute ng bag na to. Ito oh, Liberto. Nakaganyan pa siya. Plastic pa. Ganda. Ang cute nito. Dax. Ooh. This one looks nice also. 1650. I'm not sure what's the brand. This one is Bolly. Bolly leather. Ganda. 11,000. Medyo mahal yun. Let's go dun sa luxury area nila. Yung mga shoes. The flathead. Gucci. 11,000. This one, mga Louis Vuittons na. Ayan. Ang gaganda pa ng condition na. Hindi pa nag-fade yung leather. So far. Oh, 13K na. They also have watches also. These are for men's. FHD, hindi ko siya kanina. Paul Smith, Daniel Wellington, Club. And then may nagugustuhan ako. Ay, yung Citizen na yun. Ipapalabas natin yan. Bet ko siya. Roberta Baldwin. Playboy Swatch na Tiffany. Adidas, Alba. And then, for women's, they also have for women's. Itong Seiko na to, ang ganda oh. Yan yung Seiko na yan. Palabas natin. Seiko Dolce. Anne Klein, Gucci. Ito tag, 22,000. Chanel, 40,000. Coach, 8,000. Marc Jacobs, 5,500. Ito Seiko na to, 4,000. Ito Lottremont, 3,300. Mura na yan. Alba na 3,000. Ito Casio, 3,300 lang din. For women's. Kaya may mga ganito, Mickey Moto na clock. Mga gamit na perfumes. Scarves. Ayan, mga perfumes na gamit na. Yung iba mahal pa rin, ha? Hindi, mga zippers. May silver din pala, guys. Itong 5,500 silver yan. Ayan. So, Gucci's. Alang bag. Ipalabas natin yung watch na gusto ko. Sumimasen! Hi! Hi! Kilala niya na ako kasi yesterday I bought one also. So, I like it na. Can I see this again? That one, the Citizen. Ayan. Let's get that. And then this one also. Pinalabas ko na siya para makita natin. Ito yung Citizen. Also this one. This one. Ito. That. Ito ay 3,300. Isukat natin siya to make sure na mag-fit. This is the Citizen. Ganyan sa itsura niya. Ganyan yung itsura niya pag nasa wrist na. It looks good. Kunin natin to. And then yung isa pa is Seiko. Itong Seiko na to pang regalo ata natin. Baka ibigay natin kay mother. Seiko Dolce. Kung buksan. Ito yung itsura ng Seiko. Ang ganda, grabe. We'll get this now. Let's pay first. Oops. I'll get this too. Thank you.